Welcome, ladies and gentlemen, to the world's famous Repetition Diner.
Hey, you guys, it's me, Conchetta DeLeon. I look a little different.
By the Beast Mode Chef.
Your girl got some hair, but it's still me, you guys. So, you know, we always start off with a killer appetizer. Nothing is normal here. So today we're gonna do some shoulder press. Now, we're gonna run the rack. We're gonna do 15 of each, and we're gonna keep going until we can't go anymore. So I'm gonna start at 5s, 15 for 15, 10, 15, 20, 25. Each time, we're gonna do 15 of each until we can't go anymore. Once you start getting into those higher numbers, take your 90-second break if you need it, and then get back into it. You're gonna go until you can't go no more. Now these shoulders, just off this, about to be on fire. But let's demonstrate.
The Super Set King! Who's hungry? Let's eat. Who's hungry? Let's eat.
Once you get those 15,
Who's hungry?
move on to the next. These first 3, you might just go through them really quick. Make sure you breathe. Sucking that core in too.
Let's go. Let's go.
All right. So like I said, 15 each time. Run the rack until you can't go anymore. And once you can't do anymore, you have finished this part of the appetizer. Your shoulder's gonna be burning. But I need a little more from you because we got a lot more to eat. See you at the entree.
Who's hungry? Let's eat. Who's hungry? Let's eat. Who's
Welcome to the first part of this entree.
Let's eat.
Your shoulders probably hurting a little bit, but I'm gonna need a little more from you. So this, I'm gonna start with these 5s, y'all. We're gonna do front raise, then we're gonna do hammer, and then we're gonna do underneath. All 15 times each.
He is
Y'all ready for that? Okay, let me show you.
the Super Set
Front
King.
raise, 15.
Who's hungry? Let's eat.
Make sure you breathe in.
Who's
Once you do
hungry?
those 15, you do your hammers.
Who's hungry? Let's eat.
Once you do your hammers, do your underneath. So you're gonna start like you're doing a hammer.
Super Set
Then we're
King.
gonna rotate it as you go up. 15 of these too.
Let's move that weight.
Once you've done all 3 of those
Let's go. Let's
on
go.
your right side or your left side, make sure you switch it and do the other side. You don't want one big arm, one small arm. So you do the same thing. You raise
The Super Set
for
King.
15. Your hammer for 15.
It's all about
And your
results.
underneath for 15.
Better get 'em.
You're gonna do those 3, 15 times each, 3 times. You got that? So this,
Let's move that weight to the left.
this, and then these, that's 1. So each, you know, you get it? 3 exercises, 15 times each. Once you've done all 3, you do that 2 more times. So it's a total of 3 times. I can't even talk no more, y'all. This arm is already sore. See you at the next part of this entree.
Hungry. Let's eat. Super Set King.
Hey, welcome back to part 2 of this entree. So this one is, of course, is 3 exercises in this one that we're gonna do 3 times. So the first one is called half circles. Second one is side raises, and then palm out. We're gonna do each one of those 15 times, y'all. Let me show you.
The Super Set King.
So we're gonna do these half circles 15.
Who's hungry?
Make sure you're breathing. You might have to fight for these
Who's hungry?
because you're probably already sore.
Let's eat.
Once we get those 15,
Who's hungry?
we can go to side raises.
Let's eat. Who's hungry? Super set king.
Once we knock 15 of those out, palm out. So go here.
Let's move that weight. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. They hungry, chef.
Ooh, feeling that.
They call you the super set king.
Y'all gonna feel all those. You might crack, like cracking a little bit. Each one of those, 15 times, run that 3 times. You got that? So we're gonna do 15, then 15, and then 15. Take you a break after that. Do it again. You got that 3 times. See you on part 3.
Step. Woo. I like that. I like the way that looks, chef. Yeah.
Hey guys, welcome back to this another part of this entree. Y'all see, girl, Todd, this workout is getting me, but you're gonna feel so good when you're done. So this one, you need you an incline bench. You need you a good old weight. Now this one's gonna take some practice to make sure you're doing it right. So don't get down on yourself. If you're like, am I doing it right? You should feel it in certain areas. So this one, we're gonna do our side raise. So you're gonna get on your bench, knee in there, weight on your side. And then this one, you're just gonna raise your arm. You're gonna control it. Don't let the arm come down to touch. You're gonna do 15 of these. And once you're done with these 15, you're gonna do these. You're gonna get. This is delt that's coming next. So do 15 of these. And the next one is our delt. So you're gonna have your arm out, soft arm. Just bring it up. And you should feel it in your delt. And you're gonna do 15. Now these you're gonna have to struggle to get. 15 of these. Once you've done 15 raises and then 15 of the delt, flip over, do it on your opposite side. 15 and then 15. You're just gonna do those guys 2 times because 2 is gonna be enough. He ain't go too crazy on this part of our entree, but you know something's about to follow this. So I'll see you on the final part of our entree.
Step. Woo. I like that.
Hey guys, we are at the final part of this entree. I'm getting full, but we gotta fit a little bit more in there. So this one's gonna be 2 exercises. We're gonna do 2 sets of 15. We're gonna do plate raise, front raise, and then we're gonna go to the cable and do some front raises. So we're gonna do 15, 15, that's 1, and then 15, 2 times, guys. Let me show you how to do that. So I'm gonna start with 25s. You can start with 10s or 5s, whatever your arms can handle since he done murdered us already. So always suck in your stomach and raise.
Who's hungry? Let's eat. Who's hungry? Let's eat.
Once we've done that 15 times, we're gonna drop that there. Come here, back to your machine. Cables between your legs, step out a little bit. You're just gonna pull up straight. Keeping that core tight. It's gonna burn, y'all. It's gonna burn. You're gonna look so fat. Ooh. Whew. After that 15, wait 1 second. Okay, and then you're gonna go right back into it. Remember, we're gonna lift for 15, and then come back here and pull through for 15. Once you have done that twice, you have completed this entree. But guess what? We got dessert. See you in a sec.
That weight to the left.
Hey, we have made it to the dessert. Y'all tired like me? I know. We got this this right here. We got this shrug to the upright row. We're gonna do this 3 times, 15 times each. Y'all got that? Let's knock this out. This meal is almost done, y'all. We almost there. Let me show you. So you're gonna hold it, kind of make sure you're wide enough. Let's see here. You're gonna shrug. You're gonna pull up to the right. Down. Shrug. Do you guys see that? Shrug and then come all the way up. Shrug and then bring it up. Like a mini pause. Shrug, bring it up. Once you do that 15 times, 3 times each, you are done with this part of the dessert. We got one more part. It's the best part, y'all. This is the part I wait for with the dessert. See you in a second.
They call you the super
Hey, we have made it to the final part of our dessert. So this one is our cable roll extension. So we're working on this part. You know, I told y'all my favorite part because, you know, this is our area, but we're gonna get it together. Follow this, you're gonna get it together. So we're gonna do this exercise 15 times each, 3 times. Now I'm gonna demonstrate one side, but remember, whatever you do on one side, you have to do on the other side. Remember that. So we're gonna get our cable. You're gonna kind of have like a stagger stance. 2 hands on it. So it's the rotation. So you're starting down and you're going up. So let me show you. Here to here. And that bottom leg, you want to kind of rotate it. That's what's called a rotation.
Who's hungry? Let's eat. Who's hungry?
I'm going to show you the other side just so you guys can see. So we're saying here. You're going to start here. You're going to rotate up. Rotate up. Working in that core. Make sure you rotate that body all the way around. Now, once you have done that 15 times, this is the motion you want to see. That's that motion. So you want to do that 15 times, both sides, 3 times. Once you have finished that, you have completed this meal that the chef has prepared for us. You're gonna be breathing like this. You're gonna be dripping in sweat. But guess what? We sweat, flex, and repeat, right? That's how we get the body that we want. Our dream body, not what somebody else wants, the body that's made for us. So, I will see you guys next time. Maybe I'll keep the hair, and maybe you'll see my bald head, but you have to come back to find out. So make sure you don't keep us a secret. Tell your mama, cousin, friend to go to repetitiondiner.com to sign up for these meals so they can get real results that we all getting with these meals. Again, repetitiondiner.com and sweatflexrepeat.com. Until we see you again.